Well, good day viewers, Grazer. Welcome to another episode of Grazer's Freshwater Fishing. Just come out to Lake Epilot. Got an absolute stunning morning once again. We've finally got summer and we're getting some sunshine, which is really good. Lake's looking pretty amazing. So sitting around that 102%, and clarity's starting to get a little bit better, especially this side of the lake being Kimbolton side. So we're going to head towards the Darrinal side of the lake this morning. We're going to go out and chase a yellow belly early, see whether we might be able to get one to fire. If not, we're going to have a bit of fun with the redfin. So going to be a beautiful day, sun shining, light winds. It's going to hit that sort of mid 20 degrees, so going to be very pleasant. So stay tuned as we go out there and hopefully get a few fish. Oh, I'm on. Here we go. First one for the day. Little minnow. Get back. Hang on. Just got him on a little stinger hook here. Yep, got him. Got him. Going nice already again. He's not bad. Just step on that motor, Eva. He's engulfed that. Look at that. Can you see that? He's a bit better. Bigger than the other one. Oh, I got one here. It's not a bad one. Find a patch of smaller ones like this. It's just really a case of just sort of working through and see whether you might be able to find a few bigger ones amongst them. There we go. Yeah, this one doesn't appear to be too bad. Yeah, he's a lot better. Here's a good redfin. There we go. He's a little bit better. He's a nice one. There we go. He's pretty good. Oh, got him. Here we go. I think he's very big, this one. He's only little. He's given up the ghost. Oh, quick release. Oh, yeah. It doesn't appear to be too bad. Oh, yes. He's a nice little redfin, this one. Yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one. There we go. There's a ripper. Here's a nice one. There we go. Here's a nice redfin. We'll put that one in the creel. Okay, so we're getting a few ready. So we're going to change up. They're sort of going to try just a little different plastic here. We've gone the transparent little, what they call the, I think it's called the peppered prawn. Had a bit of success on this one. Get this out there and see whether we might be able to find a bigger one. We've certainly been getting heaps of the little ones. Bit of a touch, and there we go. Oh, it's not a bad one, this one. He's alright. What do you reckon, Eva? We've got him. He's a good one. He's alright. There we go. He's alright. Oh, got him. There we go. Oh, it's not bad, and off he goes. Just put that grub straight underneath us here. Yep, and we're on. Oh, he's got a little bit of initial fight, this one. And he's not a bad ready, look at that. Good stuff, just dropping that little peppered prawn just straight underneath the boat there. And we're on. Good stuff. Oh, got this one. Yes, he's nice. Here's a nice one. There we go. A nice little reddy. Old Dawson fins are a little spiky. There we go. Like him back in the creel. Yep, and we're on. Oh, he's got a little bit of initial fight, this one. He's not a bad ready, look at that. Good stuff, just dropping that little peppered prawn just straight underneath the boat there. And we're on. Good stuff. Stick that back down there. So I might be able to get another one. Oh, there we go. We've got him. He's only a little one. Oh no, he's a nice one. Look at that. Good stuff. Just vertical fishing with that little gulp grub. And he'd be sort of pushing around that 30 centimetre mark. Nice one. Ripper. Oh, there we go. There we go. This is not a bad ready either. He's alright. He's alright. Eva. He's small. He's not too bad. It's all right. Had a lot of fun. But yeah, certainly plenty of redfin at the moment at Lake Eppalock. Yep, got him. There we go. Don't you fall off the boat, Eva. There we go. A little tucker. A little hungry redfin. Oh, he took that right at the boat. Ah, Ripper, that's exciting. It's very exciting when they do that. And they obviously hitting it so close to the boat, minimal sort of slack in your line, yeah, they hit really hard, so it's good fun. Oh, I'm on. Good stuff. Yeah, he's a nice solid ready, that one. He's alright. Get him in the head with that stinger. There you go. So there you have it, guys, a quick session out at Lake Eppalock on the redfin. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you're yet to do so, and I hope to see you out in the water soon. Cheers, guys.